Today, I wanted to show you how the day of calculator works. This is a crucial wedding management tool, especially if you're coordinating your own day without a day of coordinator. To initiate the process, simply navigate through the initial configuration prompts, which spans steps 1 through 8. For the sake of efficiency, I've gone ahead and pre-written all the fields. But in your process, you'll be meticulously reviewing each step before hitting continue. The next section addresses the pre-ceremony schedule. It's vital to ensure the section is accurately detailed as it coordinates all key preparation elements such as hair, makeup, and first look photography. Following this, step 3 captures your post-ceremony events, ensuring a smooth and organized transition from the service to the celebration. Now, this step outlines the integral moments of your reception, including the first dance, formal toasts, and any special entertainment. Please verify that this sequence is chronologically correct, then hit continue. This step is a critical contractual point. Here, you'll input the exact end time of your venue contract, which defines the required vacate time for all guests and service staff. Don't worry, if there's anything that needs to be edited, you can always do that in step 8. This section also serves as your vendor management hub. Input all contracted vendors here and use the dedicated field to easily add any additional service providers you may be working with. Finally, we address custom events. This highly important section allows you to input any unique or unlisted logistical elements specific to your day's itinerary. To add a custom event, fill out the form at the top of the page, complete all necessary fields, then hit Save. The custom event will then appear below when you scroll to the bottom. Once all data is entered, click Continue. The calculator will instantly generate a comprehensive, broken-down timeline for your entire event. A core benefit of this timeline is its utility as a single source of truth. You can distribute this complete schedule to friends, family, venue staff, and any logistical support team. Upon initial review, if any timing requires adjustment, navigate to the detailed view. This is your master editing console. From here, you have the flexibility to modify existing event times or insert entirely new events. For instance, to change an event time, simply click the designated button, adjust the time, let's say to 9 p.m., and click Save. We encourage you to review the entire sequence to ensure absolute accuracy. Your final step is to generate the distributable schedule using the Export PDF function. The exported document is cleanly formatted, providing a perfect itemized breakdown of the entire day. It clearly lists all tasks, associated notes, and the precise execution time. This feature ensures seamless communication, eliminates confusion across all parties involved, and fundamentally reduces the stress on your event day. Thank you for utilizing our Day of Timeline calculator.